all, my name is Shiraga Vaishnavi. I am pursuing my BE in East West College of Engineering and specializing in Electronics and Communication Department. Today I am here to explain my technical seminar and the topic is Pill Camera. These are the contents I would be covering by the end of this PPT. Firstly, introduction. In today's day-to-day life, technology has become very effective and very immensely vast so that the people are developing the products, and one such product is this pill camera. It is of normal capsule size and it is traveling throughout the body capturing the images. It was developed by the field of medical science and with the help of the nanotechnology. This has made the field of science very reliable and productive. Here comes the conventional method. This is nothing but the existing or present procedure used by the doctors. This is also called as endoscopy procedure. In this, it contains endoscopy flexible tube and a tiny TV camera attached to it at the end. This tube is sent through our mouth through the to the small intestine, and it would not travel through the small intestine completely, and the doctors lack in knowing the where exactly the faults are. Hence, this pill camera has been invented. Here is the detailed description of the pill camera. It is the diagnostic image system which is of capsule form, sized at 26 into 11 mm, and it contains camera, lights, transmitter, and the batteries. And here is the brief components inside the camera. These are explained in the further slide. Let us know. First comes the optical dome. It is present at the front of the capsule and it is the light receiving window, and it infiltrates the fluids inside the esophagus. And next comes the lens holder. It is tightly fixed in order to hold the lens not to dislocate across the pill camera. Next comes the lens, and it is an integral component, and it is placed behind the light receiving window. Next comes the illuminating LEDs, and here there are 4 LEDs arranged in a donut shape. And next comes the CMOS image sensor, and it is nothing but complementary metal oxide semiconductor image sensor which has 140-degree field of view and can detect objects. Next comes the battery. Here the battery used here is silver oxide primary batteries, and it is not harmful for the body and it is easily disposable. Next comes the ASIC transmitter. It is arranged behind the batteries, and two transmitting electrodes are connected to each other for the transmission of the images. And finally, here comes the antenna. It is placed at the end of the capsule and it helps to transmit the signals through this antenna. Next comes the procedure. This capsule is of normal conventional sized pill, and it is swallowed by the patient normally, and it travels through the body how the normal pill travels to the body. And a belt is worn across the waist, and which helps to transmit the images continuously, and the images are transmitted by the pill with the help of this belt. And the these images are stored inside the camera, and the data is processed and produces uh, images very accurately, so that the doctors can know where exactly the tumors or cancers are located. In order to this, many patients have been saved. Next comes the image is obtained by the pill camera. This helps the doctors to know where exactly the tumors are present, for that they can provide actual and accurate treatment as well. Next comes the applications. One such application is disease, which is caused in the abdominal part, which is caused by the lots of diarrhea, fatigue, etc. Next comes the malabsorption disorders. This is used for the detection of the disorder where exactly the nutrients are not absorbed by the system inside. Next comes the tumors. The tumors located anywhere inside the body. It would show the exact images where exactly the tumors are present, and it also takes the images of the ulcers inside the body, so that doctors could know where the and where it exactly is and make the actual treatment. Next comes the small bowel injury, which helps the doctor to know where exactly this injury has happened before. Here comes the advantage, and this pill camera is very effective and very small in size. It is painless for the patients to swallow the uh, pill, and it is also easy for the doctors to know where exactly these tumors or anything might be, and it is useful for the uh, it is very high quality and used for the recording the images as well. It is easily disposable, and it is not harmful for the body as well, and it comes out of the body through excreta. Here are the few drawbacks of the pill camera, and in this it is not recommended for the people who are suffering from the gastric uh, uh, gastric issues, in order to that which may cause narrowing of esophagus or the small intestine, and it is not so recommendable for the patients who are suffering from the small intestinal problems, wherein there may be chances of getting stuck inside it. But and it is very impossible for the control of the camera as well. With this, I would like to conclude that this endoscopic capsule has made doctors very easy for the treatment and give the accurate results for the patients as well. And here are the few references I have referred for this uh, capsule, and thank you.